Don't take off. I got food. Yeah, see? You gotta let me come over there, though. Let's climb under the tree this way. I got food. Ah. There's nothing like hanging out. The bird's still up here and hasn't flown away. So, whoops, I just dropped half of it. Yeah, it'll all end up on the ground. You have food. Here. You want a peanut? Oops, there's no peanuts. To get some. Here. I'll go get some peanuts for you. Who knew a few months ago that I'd be hanging out with squirrels? But here we are. What do you want? Just throw out some peanuts for you guys. Okay. Where are you? I think there's one behind me. But I'm going back in because it's been a long day.